Independent Senator Dr. Maria Dillion-Remy also dedicated a portion of her budget and an analysis to the ongoing crime crisis. She discussed topics such as expediting convictions, the government's public health approach to addressing crime, youth programs, and the prevalent issue of corruption, which she considers pressing concerns within our society. Here's more.
Independent Senator Dr. Dillion-Remy highlighted the ongoing crime crisis affecting the country. She noted that Trinidad and Tobago is ranked 6th globally for its high crime rates, driven by factors like gang violence, poverty, and drug-related problems. She expressed concern that the nation's spirit is deteriorating, but commended the Trinidad and Tobago Police Service for their efforts. However, she believes that more actions are needed and hopes to see a greater number of charges leading to conviction.
I am sure that more needs to be done, and I look forward to greater number of persons being charged, followed by speedy convictions. And we know that just saying those two things, charged and followed by speedy convictions, the two of them don't necessarily go hand in hand.
The independent senator made a comment about a statement from the Minister of Public Administration, Alison West, who mentioned that they are working in conjunction with the Ministry of National Security, Social Development, Youth and Community Development to adopt a public health approach to addressing crime. Dr. Dillion-Remy raised the question of whether these ministries were not already engaged in these efforts.
I am wondering, have we as yet formulated anything that says we know exactly what the problem is?
Dr. Dillion-Remy also agreed with fellow independent senator Dr. Paul Richards, who connected crime and violence with school violence. She inquired about various community programs like MILAT and the Civilian Conservation Corps, questioning if they have been considered as crime reduction options.
Have we looked at them in terms of what are they doing? What are they fit for purpose? Are they specifically related to reducing crime? Are they well coordinated and managed? How about the CBOs and FBOs and other organizations that are involved?
Dr. Dillion-Remy believes that a robust security system should be established within the various branches of national security alongside leadership that resists corruption. She also addressed the issue of widespread corruption in our society, including within the TPS, businesses, and among politicians.
Corruption among these groups is said to be one of the thriving forces of criminal activity. Therefore, corrective measures to weed out the present ills and preventative measures to guard against future sins need to be put in place speedily, and necessary legislative aids must be implemented and enforced.
Dr. Dillion-Remy expressed sadness upon learning about the involvement of group members in crime. She questioned the absence of convictions, emphasizing that the youth lack positive role models. She proposed implementing value programs for the protective services to rebuild confidence in those who lead and protect the nation. Arianna Scipio, Tobago Updates Television News.